A voiceover can propel your video from being good to being great. Stick around to find out how voiceover can be a real game changer for your video. Desiree with AJI. If your video needs a voiceover, you should know and plan for that from the very beginning. The best voiceovers are built during pre-production and worked into the video's outline and script. This is because a great voiceover needs to provide its own purpose. They should drive your narrative and vocalize your video's key ideas. If your video is virtually the same without the voiceover, you most likely shouldn't be using it. Whether you're recording your own voiceover or using outside help, be picky. Your voiceover's quality directly correlates to the overall quality of the video. Sound quality and tone are two of the most important factors. If the voice is not matching the feel and tone of your video, do not use it. It's not worth the risk of potentially confusing your viewers. Voiceovers represent the personality of your video, so your goal is to find the personality that your target audience will respond to best. And if you're choosing a boring and mundane voice, that's exactly what your video will be. And you didn't put in all the hard filming work for nothing. Use a variety of different voices and emphasis and use whichever voice suits your video best.